What is up, guys? Welcome back to the 7th episode of Tutorial Tuesdays. Today I'm going to be showing you how to tie your shoes in less than 1 second. Not much intro needed, so here we go. Once you have it practiced, it's going to look a little something like this. So to start off, it's just like tying a normal shoe, where you cross the laces over, bring the back one through the front of the loop you made, and pull. From here, hold on with your 3rd through 5th fingers. Take your right hand, pointer finger, put it around the front like this. With your left hand, take your thumb and put it around the back. Now with your right hand, take your thumb, put it around the front, but then pull back. And then you'll do the opposite with your left hand, your pointer finger. We'll go around here and then pull forward. Once you have them here, what you're going to do is you're going to grab onto each of the laces with both hands at the same time. Just like that. And then you're going to pull them together, and then you'll have your tied shoe. Now, keep practicing that until you can do it without watching the video. At that point, you should probably be able to do it in about 2 or 3 seconds. However, I advertise as doing it in 1 second. So here's some tips to get it even faster. Now this may seem pretty obvious, but since the steps do right, left, you can actually do them both at the same time. Makes it a little bit faster. And then, this one isn't as obvious, but you actually don't really even need to do the first step at all. You don't really need to hold on with your 3rd through 5th fingers. You can kind of just approach it by going with your pointer finger in your right, thumb with your left, and then doing the rest of the steps while skipping the first. However, a little problem with this one is that you generally don't get it as tight as you would if you're holding on. You can get a nice little tight knot. However, if you're doing it like this without holding on, it can be kind of loose, and then sometimes you don't even have enough. But if you're going just for speed, you really don't need to do that, and you can do it a lot quicker with just not holding on with your 3rd through 5th fingers. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you found it helpful. If you have any problems or questions, let me know in the comments. Again, let me know some ideas of anything you guys want to see, anything you want to try and learn. I can maybe help with that. So thank you guys again for watching. Peace.